Welcome to the Responsible Sales video. This video will cover checking IDs and acceptable forms of identification in Washington State. How to properly check an ID. Ask for the ID, have the customer hand you the ID, and feel it. Check the following items: date of birth, expiration date, photo, and signature. Examine the ID for consistency with security features. The ID checking process may include asking basic questions such as having them recite their address and/or date of birth. Remember to check IDs anytime the customer appears youthful. Below is a list of IDs that are acceptable in Washington when buying age-restricted products: driver's license, instruction permit, or ID card issued by any U.S. state, U.S. territory, District of Columbia, and Canadian province. Washington State temporary driver's license paper when used in combination with expired Washington State ID, U.S. Armed Forces ID card, Merchant Marine ID card, official passport card, Nexus card, permanent resident card, also known as a green card, global entry card, and Washington State tribal enrollment card. For the full list of examples, please visit the Selling Responsibly page on our website at lcb.wa.gov. ID checking technology helps confirm what you already know. Improper use can put you and your employer at risk. The best defense is to know how to properly check ID. Some examples of ID checking technologies are point of sale, scan or type systems, ID checking books, UV or black lights, and ID checking phone applications. If you are unsure about an ID, it is always safer not to sell. There are three main types of fake IDs. Manufactured IDs are produced to look authentic and can be from any state. These can normally be detected by looking for discrepancies in security features, weight and thickness, color, and fonts. Ensure the UV seals are present both front and back of the ID. These seals should be clear, visible, consistent in shape and size, and not present as fuzzy, blurry, or cloudy. Altered IDs are not as common anymore, but still something to be aware of. They can normally be detected by looking for information added to an ID, lamination issues, or raised photos. Misrepresented IDs are real IDs being used by someone they were not issued to. For example, a sibling, cousin, or friend using their ID. If the true owner of the ID gave it to the minor to use, both can be cited criminally. You cannot take someone's ID permanently or deface the ID. The ID is considered someone else's property. You can, however, note the ID information in the logbook to pass along to law enforcement. It is not worth a physical altercation to hold on to an ID, so give it back to the individual. Remember, failure to comply with LCB's liquor laws can result in administrative violations, penalties, and/or suspension or cancellation of the license. This concludes the checking ID video.